Welcome. It's that time of the week where you sit back and relax while we get you all the action from B-Town. Over the next half hour, we'll tell you what happened through the week that was in Bollywood this week. The 59th Filmfare Awards were recently held in Mumbai, which saw the glittering stars of B-Town in full attendance. We bring you all the details in our next story. The grandest award ceremony. Well, the 59th Filmfare Award took place recently, studded with a high dose of glitz and glamour. This ceremony saw the who's who of B-Town at the red carpet, turning the night into a fun-filled one. Well, the best part about such a ceremony is that you get to see actors from all the eras under one roof. And that's not all. The fashion quotient is high, with stars shining bright in their glittering outfits. Well, let's find out what some of our stars have to say about this fashion-filled event.
गोविंदा स्टाइल है।
गोविंदा स्टाइल?
या ये लुई विटॉन ने पेरिस से खास मुझे भेजा है आज रात के लिए। बहुत ही स्पेशल एडिशन है। चैपमैन ब्रदर्स करके एक आर्टिस्ट है, उनके साथ कोलैबोरेट करके लुई विटॉन ने ये सूट बनाया और कहा कि एक बहुत ही स्पेशल बंदे को स्पेशल नाइट पे पहनाएंगे, तो मेरे लिए भेज दिया।
आज का थीम है इनटू द फ्यूचर। सो आई थिंक हमारी जो सभ्यता है, जो हमारी ट्रेडिशनल साड़ी है, शायद मॉडर्न थिंकिंग इंटेलिजेंट वुमेन 10 साल में कुछ ऐसे पहनेंगी।
इसमें बहुत लेयर्स है, बहुत ज़्यादा एम्ब्रॉयडरी है, बहुत वेट है, बहुत कपड़ा है बट बहुत सुंदर भी है। there's actually a lovely skirt down here, and then there is a lehenga on top, and then there's a dupatta and a belt, and there's makeup.
We spotted Kundan, also known as Dhanush, who was present there in his humble avatar, and here he told us whether he likes a reward or an award.
Awards, I want the awards, I want the producer to get the rewards.
Ranveer Singh, who had a very special year, shared with us about what he felt about the ceremony.
हर बड़े कैटेगरी में मेरी फिल्म गोलियों की रासलीला रामलीला को नॉमिनेशन मिली है। मेरे लिए खुशी और गर्व की बात है। बेस्ट फिल्म, बेस्ट एक्टर, बेस्ट एक्ट्रेस, बेस्ट डायरेक्टर, बेस्ट म्यूजिक, लुटेरा को काफ़ी नॉमिनेशंस मिली हैं। होपफुली क्रिटिक्स अवार्ड जाएंगे सारे लुटेरा को, पॉपुलर अवार्ड्स जाएंगे सारे रामलीला को, और मेरा साल साकार हो जाएगा।
The lady in black dress on the red carpet was the one to watch out for. Well, we're talking about the host Priyanka Chopra, who looked super excited.
फर्स्ट टाइम मैं फिल्म पर होस्ट कर रही हूँ, काफ़ी एक्साइटेड हूँ। इतने दिग्गजों ने किया है होस्ट मेरे से पहले, और रणबीर भी तो वेटरन हो गया अब। बट आई एम एक्साइटेड। एक नया तजुर्बा होगा, एंड परफॉर्म भी कर रही हूँ, तो एक्स्ट्रा रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है।
We also spotted Huma Qureshi, who's now a part of Bollywood's Young Brigade. Let's find out what she had to say about the event.
मैं तो सिर्फ अटेंड करने आई हूँ और सबके लिए चेयर करने आई हूँ, बट हर साल वी रियली लुक फॉरवर्ड टू दीज अवार्ड्स, एंड फिल्म फेयर शायद थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा स्पेशल होता है क्योंकि हम बचपन से देखते आ रहे हैं, और यू नो जब मैं दिल्ली में थी एंड आई वाज नॉट एन एक्ट्रेस, हम तब से देखते आ रहे हैं, तो बहुत मज़ा आता है यहाँ पे आके।
And we also spotted singer Mohit Chauhan, who was there to vote and support young talents.
नया टैलेंट आता है और नए नए गीतों को पहचान मिलती है, नए नए आर्टिस्ट को, फिल्म डायरेक्टर्स को इनाम दिए जाते हैं।
And now, moving on to the diva who stole all the limelight as soon as she stepped on the red carpet. We'll be talking about none other than B-Town's reigning queen Deepika Padukone, who was dazzling in a golden outfit. While on the other side, Bollywood's famous donor Ayushmann Khurrana was spotted in a black dinner jacket, standing tall and handsome. And this is what he had to say.
इस बार मैं चीयर करने वाला हूँ बहुत सारा, बेस्ट सिंगर के लिए अरिजीत के लिए, और बेस्ट डेब्यूटान के लिए सुशांत और धनुष के लिए।
Nawazuddin Siddiqui, who was nominated for the Best Supporting Male category, told us as to how he felt about his nomination.
मुझे तो बहुत उम्मीदें हैं, अभी देखते हैं क्या होता है, क्योंकि जो कंटेंडर हैं जो वो भी बहुत स्ट्रांग हैं।
And while that was all the fun from the red carpet, it was the real winners who were all smiles after winning the Black Lady. Let's take a look. The Best Film Award was bagged by Bhag Milkha Bhag. The Best Director Award went to Rakesh Om Prakash Mehra.
आज का फंक्शन टाइम्स ऑफ इंडिया आइडिया फिल्म फेयर अवार्ड और हमारी फिल्म को काफ़ी अवार्ड मिले। आज बेस्ट फिल्म भी मिला, बेस्ट एक्टर भी मिला, बेस्ट डायरेक्टर भी, बेस्ट लिरिसिस्ट, बेस्ट सिंगर, तो काफ़ी मज़ा आया। बेस्ट प्रोडक्शन डिज़ाइन, कुछ भूल भी रहा हूँ शायद मैं। और तो ऐसा लगा कि सारी मेहनत जैसे आज सफल हो गई, एक उसमें पूर्ण विराम आया, कहते हैं ना, एक सेंस ऑफ कंप्लीटनेस।
The Best Actor award was taken by none other than Farhan Akhtar for Bhaag Milkha Bhaag.
ये है ब्लैक लेडी, इट्स वंडरफुल टू विन इट, आई एम वेरी वेरी हैप्पी। मगर अब पागल भी नहीं हो जाना चाहिए इंसान को, आई थिंक दैट्स आल्सो वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट।
The Best Actress award was bagged by the one and only reigning queen of B-Town, Deepika Padukone.
दीपिका पादुकोण को देखकर ये कहना गलत नहीं होगा कि लीला जैसी कोई नहीं। दीपिका, लीला जैसी कोई भी नहीं।
Well, after this award, I think so. I didn't think that I would get it for Ramleela honestly because सब लोग कह रहे थे कि शायद चेन्नई एक्सप्रेस के लिए मिलेगा, and I didn't even think I would win because I think there were some other fantastic performances this year.
All in all, the 59th year of Filmfare Award ceremony was a rocking one once again. And some of the other stars who were also present there were Javed Akhtar, Shabana Azmi, Rajkumar Rao, Fardeen Khan, Kainath Arora, Neil Nitin Mukesh, Onair, Rema D'Souza, Neha Dhupia, veteran actor Rekha, Tanuja, actress Kajal, Tanisha, Kajal Agarwal and Ramesh Sippy were some of the celebrities who turned the event into a grand one. Moving on, Ranbir Kapoor was recently seen dodging Salman Khan at an award night. Take a look in our next story. Ranbir Kapoor was recently seen dodging Salman Khan. Ranbir could not face Salman. Well, Salman and Ranbir dodged each other at a recent award night. Well, the story goes, Ranbir was a host for a recently held awards night where he was interacting amongst the audience and asking questions. But clearly, Ranbir avoided the area where Salman was sitting, and that's not all. If sources are to be believed, he deliberately avoided Salman. But Salman too was present there only for a short while. On the other hand, recently this is what Sallu had to say about Ranbir Kapoor.
नया लड़का आया है, रणबीर, वो भी मार रहा है.
Now, whether the tiff between Ranbir and Salman is because of the box office or is it something personal is something we still don't know. But one thing is clear, that Katrina is not Salman's friend anymore, as he recently said that she is now someone else's friend. And you may have guessed who we're talking about, right? Bollywood is buzzing with news about Rani Mukherjee and Aditya Chopra's wedding plans. Well, the two are reportedly planning to get married on this Valentine's Day. Details in our next story. Rani Mukherjee and Aditya Chopra are finally going to tie the knot. Well, yes, this is the biggest news these days. According to recent reports, Adi and Rani are all set to give a new name to their relationship on 14 February 2014, which is also Valentine's Day. The couple will be getting married on this day. Well, this is a big surprise, but according to reports, the wedding venue too has already been decided. And the grand wedding will be held at none other than Umaid Palace in Jodhpur. But despite so much buzz about their wedding, Rani and Aditya still haven't confirmed the news. But reports also suggested that Rani apparently visited the palace to finalize the venue. Well, we all know that Rani Mukherjee and Aditya Chopra have been dating each other since many years, but they have never opened about their relationship. Now it looks like the couple is planning to announce their relationship on this Valentine's Day. Or is this news just rumors? Well, this is something we'll have to wait and watch. Time for a short break on Bollywood this week, but when we come back, Ileana, Nargis and Varun Dhawan's exclusive interview on Zoom. Stay tuned. Welcome back. You're watching Bollywood This Week. We cornered actors Varun Dhawan, Nargis Fakhri and Ileana D'Cruz for an exclusive chat on Zoom. So let's listen in.
कुछ दिन पहले एक सोशल नेटवर्किंग साइट पे मैंने वरुण के एक फ़ैन से पढ़ा था कि सर्दी में गर्मी होने जा रही है और उसका कारण है, अगर थोड़ा साइड हो जाए तो नहीं, पोस्टर जो फर्स्ट पोस्टर निकला था, हाँ, तो सर्दी में गर्मी होने वाली है लड़कियों की वजह से। वरुण धवन के फैन थे, मगर लड़कियों,
आई थिंक सिर्फ लड़कियों की वजह से। आप देख सकते हैं, आप वापस आ सकते हैं। आई थिंक बिकॉज़ नरगिस फकरी इज देयर एंड इलियाना डिक्रूज इज देयर एंड हाउ हॉट दे आर वी ऑल नो, सो एवरीवन फील्स द हीट, सो हैव टू वेयर अ जैकेट।
अच्छा, मगर आपके एब्स का कोई काम नहीं है ना इस स्टेटमेंट में?
इसमें कोई मेरे एब्स का कोई काम
नहीं, बिल्कुल भी नहीं। अच्छा, मुझे बहुत मेहनत लगी है ना एक्चुअली। हमें किसी ने तो बताया कि यू लाइक फ्लॉन्टिंग योर एब्स।
किसने? इन्होंने ही बताया ना।
मैंने कुछ नहीं।
I do, but I've been told by a lot of people that you can't do it on national TV.
No, we don't mind actually. I mean, बहुत fans होंगे, Zoom की गर्मी बढ़ जाएगी actually.
No. The thing is, I've done it.
You have to see the film.
Yeah,
abs. You have to watch the film to see his abs. So good, very good.
And lots more. We've acted also in it. It's not only about that.
अच्छा, तो ट्रेलर ऑलरेडी लॉन्च हो गया है। Of course, थिएटर में जिस तरह का रिस्पॉन्स मिला, everybody loved it. So,
what did you think?
I really loved it. I think it's going to be a fantastic out and out comedy and love triangle जिसमें आप फंसे हुए हैं बीच में। तो how is the whole response? Twitter पे and YouTube पे already upload हो चुका है, तो कुछ feedback आने लगा है, SMSs or anything?
He's got some international response.
International response. Like? I don't know what
from actually.
But no, I mean on Twitter, yeah, it's kind of gone crazy, and I mean I haven't checked as much because it's just happened, but it's really going nuts, and people really like it, and I'm nervous as hell. It feels like my first film, weirdly. It's odd. It's a strange feeling.
Yeah, but actually, last interview मैंने आपको senior कहा.
हाँ, I know. And then he says I'm old mom as well.
Oh.
No.
अलग दोस्ताना going on.
No, I have to say I feel so much love for both these girls because they've been so supportive and sweet to me during this film. And you know, when you're giving your shot, when you're doing, I think somewhere down the line they realize, you know, it's my second film and there's certain stuff for me to do, and always I think they would like just calm me down and tell me that don't worry, Varun, everything will go fine. It was really sweet. She never calmed me down. But I would do like slow claps.
Whatever.
I would do a slow clap.
For me.
Every time Nargis would give a shot, and if it was okay, so I would just go to Nargis and do that.
And then the okay side.
It's just it's our lingo. We share
a special
relationship. Yeah, we have a bro code.
A bro, yeah.
We have a bro code. Yeah.
Okay, Nargis, on a serious note.
So I'm a bro.
Okay, on a serious note, third film, it's a complete change from what you've done till now. So difficult, and Hindi थोड़ी और comic timing Hindi सब match करना कितना मुश्किल?
Can you imagine? Yeah, exactly. It was very difficult. Comedy, I think, is way more difficult than, you know, something serious or dramatic. I mean, I could be mistaken. Of course, for sure, always. For me, first of all, the language is a barrier. Yeah. So even though I'm learning and I've learned so much and I've come a long way, there will be bumps and obstacles, which I'm so glad that these two have been amazing and they've always been very helpful. Also, another thing was that there were so many people. Like, there'd be 10 of us on set shooting at, and we all have to interact. And I was confused because I'd zone out, and I'm like, okay, well, what do I do? And Anupam was like, do something. I was like, yeah, do something. And sometimes I wasn't getting one scene. I remember I can't say. There was a scene I didn't get so well. So thank God Anupam had given me
correct. Okay, I'm curious about the scene now.
There was one
I'll see it.
He gave me an analogy. I won't say what it was, but it was very funny because all the time I'm like, oh yeah, that's right. Yeah. So sometimes it didn't connect. But it was great. Yeah. Everyone was helpful.
Basic, one thing which I want to say is that the film's title may be Main Tera Hero, But Seenu is more of a character in this film because it's such a big ensemble. There's Anupam sir, there's Saurabh sir, there's Arunodaya, there's Rajpal, there's Manoj Pava, Supriya Patak, there's Ilyana, there's Nargis, there's me. So it's huge. This star cast is actually a big star cast with a lot of talented actors, a bunch of new actors, a bunch of award-winning actors. So yeah, me and Nargis are very envious of Ilyana.
Stupid.
He's embarrassing, man.
Embarrassing? Oh, what's embarrassing? Not at all.
No, it just kind of puts you on the spot there. I mean, for me, every film is like a, kind of like a first film, you know. I mean, you can't honestly use your previous experience and use it in a new film because every character is different. So.
Absolutely. But it was an inspiration, the Barfi moment.
It was, no, definitely. I think working with Ilyana was an inspiration for sure because I've seen Barfi and I've seen 1-2 of her South films as well. So I know the stuff she's done. I know how good she is at it. So I had to come like fully prepared, and I wanted to be on my top of my game. She shouldn't be कौन है hero. हटाओ इसको. So I mean, but
वैसे ही मैं फिल्म में चिल्ला के बोल रहे हैं भाई मैं हूँ hero.
तो मैं याद दिलाया मैंने उसे. But lot of scenes she's been really helpful, and a lot of the improvisations you see of mine. Almost from both of them telling me something that why don't you try this or try this, and that's how it's come.
No, I don't think he's giving himself credit.
Yeah, and I think we all connected and vibed very well.
Yeah,
we did. It was some scenes that it just came natural to us, and we added it.
Exactly. No, it is a full team effort. I have to say, this is a full team effort. It's not a one-man show at all.
Okay, और लास्ट में सलमान खान इस पोस्टर को देखने से बाद तो थोड़ा envious होने वाले हैं कि कोई मेरी जगह लेने वाला है shirtless.
बिल्कुल नहीं, उनकी जगह कोई नहीं लेके जा सकता.
I think the only thing that go on.
I'm saying उनकी जगह sorry कोई नहीं ले सकता और उनका एक सिर्फ होगा मैं जय हूँ.
Moving on, Farhan Akhtar recently rocked the stage with his splendid performance. Take a look in our next story.
There's so much energy here already in this college festival. The reason obviously being Farhan Akhtar. No, the concert hasn't started yet, but we can still feel this energy. And there he's on stage practicing, so let's check it out. For you giving the most electrifying performance here. The crowd went mad and you saw what the energy here is. Well, that's how a rock star lives it. Yudrani Chatraj with camera person Hari and Paresh.
Time for a short break on Bollywood this week, but when we come back, Adhyayan and Ariana's candid chat on Zoom. Stay tuned. Welcome back. You're watching Bollywood this week. We cornered Adhyayan, Suman and Ariana for a candid chat on Zoom. So let's listen in.
Hi Ariana, hi Adhyayan. Welcome to our show.
Thank you so much.
Adhyayan, you've done about 5 films so far in Bollywood, but is this one extra special given the fact that it's directed?
5 films के बारे में मैं नहीं जानता. No, I'm kidding.
It's being directed by your father, Mr. Shekhar Suman. So does that make it very special for you?
It does.
Yeah.
Me and my father had seen this dream 4 years back, and what makes me happy is that today it's out there in front of the world, and people have been kind enough to give us a very warm and loving response towards the film, and that's what really makes me very, very happy today. And the fact that we had so many difficulties trying to make Heartless, where there was a point where people said, change the actor or change the director.
Oh, really?
Yeah. There were points, because that's how the industry is, and we know that because of my last film not doing well.
Right.
People didn't believe in my film and in me as an actor. And as I said, we had to go through face loads of trouble with this film. And but eventually, it's all about the net result. The fact that the film is out today, and as I said, people have been kind enough, so it makes me happy.
Even it's interesting how you came on board. Tell us about it.
Yeah, it's pretty interesting, the fact that you know, I'm from New York. I've never actually thought about becoming an actress, doing Indian films. And but I guess there was a connection because Adan and I were friends from New York, and we still are friends. But when we did a short film together, Shekhar Ji was, after that, Shekhar Ji wanted to do Heartless, and he was looking for his heroine for the film. And, you know, he auditioned a lot of girls, but I guess he was looking for a particular character. And then when he had seen my short film, he thought that I'm that character, that I can do it. And he had approached me, and I really didn't think he was serious about it because I wasn't an actress or anything. So,
who do you consider your competition really?
I think a lot of people are good in this industry, and that's the reason why they are here. People who are doing well today in my generation, some of them still haven't been able to have that strong foothold. But someone like Ranbir Kapoor, I think is somebody I really respect because of the fact that he thinks out of the box. You know, he is trying to do something different. He is not trying to be in that commercial zone and do what will work. One guy that I follow in this industry, not that I want to become like Ranbir Kapoor, because there would be only one Ranbir Kapoor. There's nobody who can be Ranbir Kapoor. I would like to be myself, but I do follow him as far as his work is concerned.
Wish you all the best, and thank you so much for such a heartfelt interview. Thank you so much, Arvind. Thank you so much, Eva.